We had a lay-in this morning. I went to bed at 3:30, woke up at 7:30, but then laid in bed till 10.
Do you think I should vlog my day?
Yeah, always.
What if it's boring?
Watch my first vlog. So even though it's a Saturday, it's still a work day for me after yesterday's debacle. I'm a little bit behind schedule, so I have a few things to do today. I've been trying to get better at not working on the weekends, but it's not really my forte. Maya's in Bristol today, so I kind of have the Saturday to myself. I have to make some shaker style doors, so I'll probably show how I make those. But I kind of want to take the day off, so this video will probably be smaller. I think I just said smaller, but I mean shorter. It'd be a short video. It's a good idea to always be knolling before, after, and during projects. Always be knolling. It just means tidy stuff up. This is where my tape measures go. I think there's more around here somewhere. I wonder how many times I've swept this workshop. Let's go and do some maths. Okay, let's say that there's 360 days per year, but there's probably only 260 working days per year. I've probably swept every single one of those 260 days, but I also probably sweep twice on about 20% of those days, which means I've probably swept something around 312 times per year. Now I've been in this workshop for 10 years, which means I've swept in this workshop roughly 3,120 times. 3,120 times. That number's probably pretty accurate. I hope that when I die, it's like the end credits when you complete a video game and you get all of your statistics. I absolutely love stats. That's like my dream, is that when I die, I can just access all of my stats. How many cups of tea have I had? How many glasses of water? How many times did I sweep the floor? How many pieces of furniture? Percentage of my life awake versus asleep. That's the dream. Just gonna go meet a friend for dinner. Thank you. Right, I've been putting off making these doors all day, mostly because this guy persuaded me to have like 2 beers. But we're going to do it now. Should be pretty quick. Okay, so this is the super easy way to make shaker doors. Depending on how much of a step you want between your stiles and the backer panel, it's really just an aesthetic choice. So I've gone 9 and 9, it's just what they had in stock at the shop, but quite often you'll see 3mm for this piece, and then this piece will be 15. But it doesn't really matter, as long as you don't exceed about 22, the ideal is 18mm, then you should be good. If you go over 22mm, then you might start to find problems with the door binding on the carcass when it tries to open. This is all very technical, I hope this is making some sense. But 18mm is the preferred option. Basically all cabinet doors on all kitchens, all bedroom furniture is 18mm in total. So if I get a piece of 18mm MDF, you can see now that they're totally flush with each other. So that means that my door now is 18mm at the edges, and it's 9mm there in the middle. That makes sense, right? Sounds good. It's just a simple case of gluing these side pieces on first with glue. You can use PVA or wood glue, it's basically the same stuff. And then I use a brad nailer, which is a nail gun, but it fires really, really tiny bullets. So they're much easier to put some wood filler over the top and hide them. Obviously this is all being painted as well, so it doesn't matter. And there we go, that's it. So then you have a whole bunch of doors all ready to go. This one's wet because I just wiped some glue off. All right, so that's primed doors. There you go. Sticker cut paint on MDF. Nice and easy. Thank you. No more work has taken place today.